Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances that are usually very good value for money. They smell good. Not many people talk about them. They're usually on the radar and hidden gems. I think at least you should do your research. Try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So today I have an unboxing and first impression for you, and this is another brand which is quite underrated and not many people mention them, and I think they deserve the mention and the attention. Is the brand from UAE, yes, another Middle Eastern brand, and this is called Swiss Arabian. Swiss Arabian is another Middle Eastern brand. They are based in Dubai and they've been around for almost 50 years. They make very good value for money fragrances that they smell good for what you pay. The ratio for what you pay and what you get is very, very high. So today is one of their fragrances. It's called Intense Pride, Swiss Arabian Intense Pride, and this is Eau de Perfume 100 ml. A very, very nice box. Attention to details everywhere. Before I go forward with this unboxing, please, if you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, or valuable in any way, shape, or entertaining, you know what to do. Hit those buttons, the like button, the subscribe button, and all those buttons. This way you encourage me, you give me motivation for future videos like this. Thank you very much. Okay, so sorry about the noise when you do unboxing. You can't do much about it. Okay, very nice box. Again, attention to detail is everywhere. Okay, very thick and good quality cardboard, and the bottle is gorgeous. Okay, so it's almost always the case with Middle Eastern brands that they give you everything plus the kitchen sink for what you pay. Okay, so if you go to big names in European manufacturer, for such a presentation, for such a bottle, for such a quality, you will pay much more than what I paid, which is under £50. So this one is available in United Kingdom under £50 if you do your research. If you Google it, it's quite readily available. And so here we go. That's the bottle. Bottle is gorgeous. Very, very cute design. It's very high end, very, very heavy. The cap is massively heavy. It's about half a kilo. The cap is metal. Atomizer is very, very good. Good looking atomizer, and the atomizer gives out so much juice. Wow, that is a lot. Okay, so here we go. Swiss Arabian Intense Pride. First sniff, first impression. Yes, yes, yes. So this is another Creed Aventus inspiration. Creed Aventus number 685. Okay, the joke aside, this is very, very good quality, because Swiss Arabian company, or the name of the brand, by the way, they are house, so they make everything inside the brand themselves, and it's filling the room. Wow, absolute gorgeousness. You know me, I'm biased because I love DNA of Creed Aventus, and this is up my alley 100%. Very smooth, very, very good quality, superbly fresh. All the components are there: the bergamot, the lemon, the blackcurrant, the pineapple. Oh, goodness me, what a smell. This is gorgeous. I love it. The birch is there, is balanced at the moment. First impression, first sniff, it's quite balanced. It's not too fruity, it's not too woody or smoky. Okay, floral component is there, rose, jasmine, and also vanilla is in the base, and the birch and woodiness is there. Tiny bit of patchouli to make it a little bit earthy. But what a beauty. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So this is I have almost maybe 20 different Creed Aventus inspired or copy or clones, and this is definitely top 5 because the quality is amazing. Beautiful, very nice quality, very rounded, very smooth, very no harshness, no alcohol, straight to the perfumes themselves. The concentration of perfume is very good. What can I say? Amazing smell. So if you like, again, the Creed Aventus DNA, some people moan. They say, oh, why are you bringing all these? Listen, you might not like it or you might not be interested, but many people, moi included, are interested in the DNA of Creed Aventus. And also the good thing about it is each of these different companies, different brands that are copying Creed Aventus, they put their own DNA in there, they put their own twist in there, which making it much more interesting. If they all were the same, okay, so you say, okay, I've seen one, I've smelled one, that's it, oh, they're all this. No, they're not all the same. So each got their own slight twist, their own slight DNA, slight signature, if you like, on the fragrance, and that makes it very interesting. For so this one, goodness me, what a smell, beautiful. Probably one of the closest you can get to Creed Aventus, especially for the price, is under £50. Creed Aventus is about £300 for 100 ml. But unfortunately, this is not just me. Many people who bought Creed Aventus lately, they say it doesn't perform 4 or 5 hours if you're lucky, and this one is very strong. At the moment it's filling the room. So in the next video I will let you know the performance, the longevity and the development and things like that. But for the first sniff, first impression, absolutely gorgeous. Yes, I highly recommend it. Oh my goodness, gorgeous. So again, because of the DNA of the Creed Aventus in here is universal, no age, no season. You can use it any age, any season, any time, any occasion, and it's versatility to the maximum. And that is a good thing about the DNA of Creed Aventus, that is universal. Almost not many people dislike that. Obviously there are some people who dislike it, but there are in the very small minority. Majority of people will like it. Okay guys, thank you very much for joining me. If you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, or any way shape valuable, you know what to do. Hit those buttons. If you like to purchase one of my own fragrances, I'm a perfumer myself. I make my own perfume. There is no manufacturer, there is nobody else involved, there is no nobody telling me what to do. I am the sole creator of my own fragrances from the scratch, from this very zero to the perfume itself. I make them myself, and they are out of this world. They are very unique, they are artistic to the max, they are super beast mode. But you need to live in the United Kingdom, enable to purchase them. Unfortunately, the post doesn't like or doesn't allow posting outside the United Kingdom. I know there are many people who contact me and say, please Naz, can you send it to this part, that part, this country. I almost get emails every day. Unfortunately, I just have to turn them down. It's out of my power, it's out of my hand, it's out of my control. Many years ago used to do that, used to send perfumes abroad, no problem whatsoever. But lately, for the last 3-4 years, for some reason they just when you mention perfume, it's like you're mentioning some sort of horrendous dangerous chemical or something, and they say no straight away. Okay guys, thank you very much, and I'll see you later. Bye.